If you are a beginner in digital marketing, it can be overwhelming to choose the right type of digital marketing to focus on. However, some digital marketing techniques are relatively easy to understand and implement, making them a great starting point for beginners. Here are some digital marketing techniques that are best for beginners. Search engine optimization. SEO involves optimizing your website and its content to rank higher in search engine results pages. It's a long-term strategy that requires consistent effort, but it can drive significant traffic to your website over time. Social media marketing. Social media marketing involves using social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to promote your brand and engage with your audience. It's a great way to build brand awareness and drive traffic to your website. Email marketing. Email marketing involves using email to communicate with your audience and promote your brand. It's an effective way to build relationships with your customers and promote your products or services. Content marketing. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable content like blog posts, videos, and infographics to attract and engage your target audience. It's a great way to establish yourself as an authority in your industry and drive traffic to your website. These digital marketing techniques are relatively easy to understand and implement, making them great for beginners. However, it's important to remember that digital marketing is a constantly evolving field, and you should always be willing to learn and adapt to new trends and strategies.